Pagkakaalam ng iba mga kapatid, ang ministry ito ay ngayon lang kami nagkakilala ni Mayor Duterte. No. When we were in Villamor Street, that was many, many years ago, our membership was about 15 members. Mayor Duterte was wearing thick glasses, and I was wearing thick glasses also. We were very slim. He was slim, I was. We are very young. Palagi siyang dumadaan doon sa amin sa Agdao, Villamor. At doon siya nagpasimula na bumisita sa amin hanggang kami lumipat sa Y-Gym. Doon siya nagpasimula na rin na kumampanya bilang Vice Mayor muna pagkatapos hanggang naging Mayor. From that time on, our relationship continued not only as close friends, but we have been like the closest of brothers. Kaya pag ako, may binibili akong pagpapala sa akin, palagi ko siyang binibilhan din. Kung bibili ako ng isang sasakyan, bibigyan ko rin siya. Siya naman, pagka nag-golf kami kuminsan, isa na lang chewing gum ang naiwan sa kanyang bulsa, hahatiin niya, sabi niya, hating kapatid, maghati pa kami. Ganon kami ka-close throughout all of these years.